semana foi inlalais Conselheiro Secretário-Geral Nações Unidas, Professor Dr. Jeffrey Sachs, e a palestra para audiência sobre organizações CIA e Dili, Hateten, Timor-Leste precisa investir mais para recursos humanos, estrada e eletricidade. O professor Jeffrey Sachs em Hanoi, a Timor-Leste, lá abaoin, precisa serviço macas, a tunune bele alcança objetivos SIRA, no Timor-Leste bele sai husimukir.
By 2020, Timor-Leste can end extreme poverty in this country. What do I mean by that? By 2020, every child in this country can be assured to complete a secondary school education. By 2020, every community can be assured access to proper primary health care. By 2020, everybody can be assured proper nutrition in this country and safe drinking water. By 2020, the literacy can be universal for at least all people under the age of 30 because they all will have gone to school, they all will have the chance of a proper education. These are all valid goals. I believe, by the way, in setting goals for yourself as individuals and setting goals for your country. I'm asking you a favor. You have to work hard for 10 years because I don't like to be wrong in my forecasts.
Jeffrey Sachs foi Hanoi Katak, ponto principal tolo mak Timor-Leste precisa atuhalo, mak investe e recursos humanos e infraestrutura no turismo. Seminário Husi palestra organiza Husi Universidade Nacional Timor-Leste, reta participação Husi membro do governo, representante Husi Organização Internacional Não Nacional, hamutuk ho estudante Husi UNTL. Marcelino Pereira, timortoday.com